Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Miriam P. Tangan, 35 years old, married to Reggie Tangan, 36 years old. I have one child, Angeline Tangan. She is 10 years old. I have three sisters and 4 brothers. I'm a second among the family. I have experience in working in other countries like Hong Kong, Singapore, and Canada. In Singapore, I have took care kids like ages 6, 9, 11, and 12, and pets too. In Hong Kong also, I took care of newborn babies and doing a household chores also. In Canada, I took care of a newborn baby to 12 years old. I bring the kids and fetch them also.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
I know how to cook Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, and soup and noodles.
Do you know how to take care elderly?
No, I don't have experience taking care of elderly, but I'm willing to learn.
If you will come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your child?
If I come to Hong Kong, my husband will take care of my child.
Do you like to work with other maids?
Yes, I do.
Would you mind if your holiday will fixed by the employer?
Yes.
Can you sing children's song?
Okay, I'll sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.